what you did, dude.
Absolutely welded solid. He ain't going nowhere.
So what happened last night? 2 minutes.
2 minutes in, and that water hole absolutely broke my shit. Absolutely annihilated my portal bracket. My buddy just welded her straight back on there, and we're gonna send it and see how it rides. Hopefully it makes it. I don't know.
Right there. You ready or what?
I'm ready, dude. Come on.
OKRX?
What's up? All reliable, sir.
All reliable?
Yes, sir.
You ready or what?
Being ready. Man, let's go see those welds.
You wanna go? Hey, they're a little bit muddy right now.
We're absolutely not gonna put it in reverse this time.
No reverse?
No reverse.
Never again am I putting it in reverse.
No. What about the lily pond? You going back in that thing or what?
Maybe like Saturday evening. Saturday night.
No lily pond.
Hey, I already know this. When I get a few T's in me, that thing.
Yeah, I can pull you out, no problem, dude.
Exactly. I get pulled out, no problem.
Think it'll hold?
Yeah, I'm going for sure buying a tiny Ranger, dude.
150?
So we're gonna get.
How small is it?
Woo.
No, I mean we're gonna get a tiny side by side.
This seat, not going nowhere.
This man got the zip ties holding the
Zip
seat.
ties?
Ah, damn.
I got 2 tappers on that side. Got 2 self-tappers in. That thing ain't going nowhere, dude. It's a part of the bike.
I see that.
I hit y'all back when we're about to ride.